Hello and welcome to this video on how to drive free viral traffic to your website. In this video, I'm going to give you an ultra-detailed, step-by-step guide on how to do it. But before we get started, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content like this. And also, don't forget to visit our website Profits Digital for even more helpful resources. Now, let's dive in. First, let's talk about the importance of viral traffic. Viral traffic can bring a ton of new visitors to your website, increase your brand's visibility, and potentially lead to more conversions and sales. So, let's get started on how to achieve this. Step 1. Identify your target audience. The first step is to identify your target audience. You need to know who your ideal customer is and what they are interested in. Use tools like Google Analytics or social media analytics to understand your audience's demographics, interests, and behaviors. This will help you create content that resonates with your target audience. Step 2. Create high-quality content. Once you know your target audience, it's time to create high-quality content. Your content needs to be engaging, informative, and valuable to your audience. Use a mix of different content types like videos, infographics, and blog posts to keep your audience interested. Step 3. Utilize social media. Social media is a great way to drive viral traffic to your website. Make sure to share your content on all relevant social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Instagram. Use hashtags to increase the visibility of your content and engage with your followers to build a strong relationship with them. Step 4. Leverage influencers. Influencer marketing is a powerful way to reach a wider audience. Find influencers in your industry and collaborate with them to create content or promote your brand. This can help you gain exposure to a new audience and potentially lead to viral traffic. Step 5. Use SEO best practices. SEO can help you rank higher in search engine results pages, which can drive more traffic to your website. Use best practices like keyword research, on-page optimization, and link building to improve your website's SEO. Step 6. Encourage sharing. Encourage your audience to share your content by adding social sharing buttons to your website and asking for shares at the end of your content. This can help your content reach a wider audience and potentially go viral. Now, it's time to take action. Start implementing these steps today to drive free viral traffic to your website. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content like this. Visit Profits Digital for even more helpful resources. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel. And if you need more help with driving traffic to your website, visit Profits Digital for more resources.